welcome to Kay's Tiny House Adventures, where I, Kay, am building my very own tiny house. I have zero build experience, but I have lots of drive and very amazing friends. Today, I want to share with you how we did the siding, specifically the metal siding. All the exterior siding is done. It's kind of mind-blowing where we're at right now. In a previous video, I broke down how we got the cedar and planed it, did all the things to make the cedar siding. On the metal aspects, it was really awesome because you just got a metal mart and they cut it to size. Unfortunately, even though we tried to measure shy of the actual length, we measured too long, and so all of the pieces were just a little too long. So we did have to cut each piece, but the actual application and putting them on was pretty straightforward. So we started at the end, and basically how these pieces fit together is, I don't know if you heard that, but Taco yawned. We put the pieces together and they kind of hook on, and it's like a batten board style, so whenever the board part is coming up, it latches on and it hides all the screws. And so it was really straightforward. So Doug was mostly in charge of cutting the piece to size, which involved some metal cutters, but also the grinder because there were some parts that were hard to cut by hand. And then Phil and I, or Debbie and I, depending on the day, would put the sheet on and screw it in. There was also a plastic film on all of the sheets, so I was also in charge of peeling that off, which was kind of difficult, but we got through it. We trimmed all the windows that were covered in siding with the metal trim as well. The hardest part with the metal was getting around windows and the door, because there was just less flexibility if it needed to go around multiple turns, and figuring out those cuts was a bit of a math trick for Doug to figure out for each unique piece.
What are you guys doing?
Putting up the last piece.
Yeah.
Where's Phil? He's supposed to be up there.
right here.
Nice.
All good?
Does it look good?
Looks great.
Yay! Hi. But overall, we were able to really maximize the pieces that we had. We didn't buy too much or too little in regards to the siding, so that was nice. Once we were done, we then had to go buy trim, which was easy because they have the pieces there and then they just fold them using like a CAD program. It's actually pretty cool to watch them do that. Super easy. We put those on and it really was the best finishing touch for that. So that was very cool. Next up will be the skylights and then the eaves for the roofing, and then the roofing can go on top of that, which will also be metal. It's our panel metal instead of the batten board style, which means it was more affordable, so that will be good. And then we'll also have a couple vents that will exit out of the ceiling. So we'll have to drill those holes in when that time comes around, which I'm honestly not looking forward to, but it's a necessity. The drains have to vent somewhere. So that will all be coming up next. And yeah, that is it. It's a huge milestone. The house looks so much more like the picture of the house. And it's just bonkers that this used to just be a flat trailer. It's wild. And then I'm really excited to move on to the inside stuff. So that'll be cool to share with y'all as well. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And I will see you later. Bye.